morning, Sunday morning, Clearwater Beach. About 8:30 in the morning. Beautiful, beautiful morning. I do not see a cloud in the sky. It's gonna be about 80 degrees today. We're gonna go get some waffles. Our daughter wanted waffles. We aim to please. And she's collecting seashells by the seashore now. Beautiful morning. Breakfast at Another Broken Egg was delicious. Now we're just walking down Mandalay. We're gonna get on the Little Toot in a little while. Such a beautiful morning out. We're just walking along the Clearwater Marina, and then we're gonna get on Little Toot, go see the dolphins. That's cool. See it, Sarah?
Oh, yeah.
No, Sarah, look right there. Right between us and the hotel. There's a bunch of them between us and the hotel. Look right there, see them? Oh, Sarah, 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 Sarah! Seriously?
So we're going to go to the beach right now and play in the sand and go in the water. When we saw the where our room is, there was lots of people in the pool, so the ocean. So we might like go there.
We ate lunch in the room, and now we are going to go to the beach. It is a nice warm day out, and we are going to go have an afternoon of fun. Hey, the waves are bringing you in. See? You're not going anywhere. It is absolutely gorgeous today. We're trying to absorb every moment of it because it is so nice. It's like perfect today. Low humidity. Our daughter wanted to go to the pool. So we left the beach, as awesome as it was. Spent a lot of time in the water, very nice warm day. And now we are back at the pool.
So I'm going to do a jump through this tube. Now I'm going to do this right. It's really fun. You guys gotta try this.
A little before 5, we are still hanging out at the pool. We had a little salsa and chips, Miami Vice. Our daughter got right back in the pool. What's going on, Sarah Bear? Tired?
Tired.
Woke up early. Another great day here, Clearwater Beach. We we close out our day watching the sunset from our balcony.